Hello friends, I am Shivkumar. In my last video, we have discussed about the famous historians in the medieval India. Today, we are going to see the other historians in India in the medieval period. Before going to the concept, I hope you all see the video till the end. So, if you like the video, press the like button, or dislike the video, press the dislike button, and subscribe the Indian History channel. And if you have any doubt in this video, please ask in the comment box. So, today we have continued the historians in the medieval India period. Okay, first Naruddin Muhammad Afi. Naruddin Muhammad Afi was written the Jawamiul Hikayat by contains its preface details in the military operations, which Iltutmish conducted against the Quack in 1227 AD. The author was an eyewitness of those events. Chachnam. The Chachnam was originally written in the Arabic. Later on, it's translated in the Persian by Muhammad Ali bin Abu Bakr Kulfi. In the time of Nasir ud-Din Quabacha, it had now been edited and published by the Dadpota. His work gives in the history and Arab conquest, the Sindh and our main resources of the information of that subject. Then we are going to see the other famous historian in the medieval period of India. His name was Muhammad Gauri. The Muhammad Gauri was also the historian. The history of Delhi Sultan up to 1260 AD is to be observed in the Minhaj G. Siraj. Was not the impartial writer. He is very much based in the favor of Muhammad Gauri. Iltutmish in the Balban Minhaj, he was revered largely for the example of the Abhan al-Taqwism fi Marifat. The al-Muqaddasi was the Maghazi and al-Waidi. These two were Tariki Vilayat in the Khurasan by the al-Salami. Attempt had been made by the author evaluate and reliability of the sources used by him. It is a matter of fact the author was occasionally given the different dates of the same events in the different contexts. Then we have going to see the Muhammad Bihamat Khani. The Muhammad Mihabat Khani has written a story, the Tariki Muhammadi. It was completed in 1438, that means 1438 to 39 by Muhammad Bihamat Khani. The author did not belong to ulema class, but he was the member of the military class. He works the deals the patriarchs and prophets, including the life of the Sanjarids, Sansabani, Sultans and Gorgyani. These was all the so much of it also contained the history of Sultan of Delhi. Timur, biography of saints and struggles of Sultan of Kalpi with their Hindu-Muslim neighbors. The Tariq-i-Muhammadi is arranged in the foreign annals of life of the Prophet and the history of early caliphs. It is a year-of-year narration of events, chiefly military, after the arrangement in the dynasty. Then there were saints of full praises. The author have furnished earlier histories without discussion of criticism among the sources by or the Tabqat Naziri was the famous by Barani and Tazrit al-Aliya. Then we are going to see the Taj ul Mazir Hazan Nizami. The Taj ul Hazan Nizami was written by the Hazan Nizami. It deals with the events from the about 1192 AD to 1228 AD. It deals with the career and region of Qutb ud-Din Aibak and the earlier Phrygian Itutmish. Being a contemporary account, the work is regarded to be first-rate authority on the subject. Hasan Nizami was a migrant first to Gyani to regard the first-rate authority subject. Then, from his native Nishapur, he wrote the Taj ul Mazir after the encouragement from the Sadr at Delhi in response to the royal desire for an account of glorious deeds. There were more work records of minimum events with a maximum florid description. Hyperbole, amplipology, homing, inversion, antithesis, smile, reticular, figure drawn from the example. Astrology, medicine, chess, biology, and botany. Every army is numerous to see the soldier, bloodthirsty, and mass. There was a lance like a meteor, a sword like lightning, a dagger like thunder, bold sheet like the moon. Melody and rhyme artifice are preferred to economy precision statement. Hasan Nizami was hero or always brave, victorious, precious, generous, and cultured. Then we are going to see the Tariq-i-Firozi Zia-ud-Din Barani. The Tariq-i-Firozi was written by the Zia-ud-Birani. The author was fully of Ghiyas-ud-Din Tughlaq, Muhammad Tughlaq, and Firoz Tughlaq. Barani brings the story from the Balban to the Firoz Tughlaq. He gives a useful account of history to the slave dynasty, the Khaljis and the Tughlaqs. The book was completed in 1359 AD and has now been published by the Asiatic Society of Bengal. It was the chief merit of the book lies in the fact that it was written by the person who held in the high position in the administration. Consequently, it was the position accurate information. Then, the author was described the system of revenue administration. It was a great detail, although Barani knew the duties and the responsibilities of historians. But he was not free from the prejudice. Moreover, his style was the obscure, difficult to understand him. This was the book. Then we are going to see the Tariq-i-Sindh of Mir Muhammad Mazum. Tariq-i-Sindh was also called as Tariq-i-Mazumi of Mir Muhammad Mazum. Then the Tariq-i-Sindh Mazumi was written by the Mir Muhammad Mazum. This book was written in about 1600 AD. It deals with the history of Sindh from the time of its conquest of the Arabs up to the time of Akbar. It was the Mughal emperor and it is a contemporary account but is based on the Nama. It gives an accurate account of the conquest in the Sindh by the Arabs. This is for all today video. If you have any doubt, please put it in the comment box. Please subscribe the Indian History channel. Thank you. Have a marvelous Friday.